An outbreak of measles that started in Texas, spreading across the nation, infecting hundreds and taking the lives of 2 children and 1 adult. I'm Hannah McElree in Omaha, where Governor Jim Pillen and the Department of Health and Human Services is urging neighbors to get vaccinated.
Virus always wins.
I went to Elmwood Park to speak with neighborhood parents about the outbreak.
I think it just shocked me because, it is one of the vaccinations that our kids get, but it's nothing that we hear about, so you don't ever worry about it.
I would be more worried about a kid getting measles and maybe going blind or something than I would about a vaccine that's been proven to be safe and effective.
In 2025, there have been over 700 cases of measles. 70% of those cases are in children and teens. 97% of the cases are unvaccinated individuals. I asked Dr. Mark Rupp at Nebraska Medical Center about what we should watch for in kids.
We've not seen cases here in Nebraska yet. It's probably just a matter of time. But if you've traveled to one of those areas where they're having an outbreak and your kid develops an illness, usually characterized by having a runny nose, a cough, and red eyes, along with a fever, and that typically runs for several days, and then the characteristic rash breaks out.
Friday, Nebraska Governor Jim Pillen said since the pandemic, fewer children are receiving the MMR vaccine. Data from the start of the school year shows kindergartners in the state who received both doses of the vaccine have dipped below herd immunity levels.
This is a vaccine, as Secretary Kennedy, I think, recently has said as well, this is a vaccine that's really appropriate. There's no question. There's no gray. We have to have herd immunity. You get herd immunity by vaccine so that it doesn't pop up.
Governor Pillen says there's no current cases of measles in Nebraska, and the key to keeping it that way is making sure children are vaccinated. At Elmwood Park, I'm Hannah McElree, your Central Omaha neighborhood reporter.